How to install iOS 16 lock screen widgets on iPhone 6, 6s, 7 or 7 Plus. So if you want to install iOS 16 lock screen widgets on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go and install an application, which is this wigd widgets. So make sure that you've installed this application. After installing the application, you need to tap on open. Once you tap on open, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the bottom where you'll have the manage section, and under manage you'll have setup transparency. You need to tap on it, and you can go with add wallpaper, allow the full access, and then set your transparent background, and you'll be able to use iOS 16 lock screen widget on your iPhone 6, 6s, 7 or 7 Plus. Or you can just simply go with your home screen and enter giggle mode. Scroll to the empty page on the far right and take a screenshot. Optionally, switch device appearance to dark mode and take additional screenshot. Note that using both dark and light mode will increase the memory consumption of the widget. So just go and take a screenshot of the iOS 16 lock screen, and after that add that wallpaper right here and add a transparent background to it, and then add it to your iPhone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.